Hey guys, it's Megan.
Shut up, Meg.
Hi guys, today I'm going to build a vintage model kit toy shop. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All the parts are bagged. I'm going to use some scissors to open up the bag. Floor tile, the roof, some walls, windows and doors. We have the instruction sheet, some signs, the window backdrop, and some plastic window glass. This is the instruction sheet, fairly simple step by step. These are some basic supplies that I'm going to use. Some paint, glue, brushes, and sprue cutters. I will also be using a base to display my model properly. I must start cutting the parts off of the runners with the sprue cutters. Here I'm sanding. Now that I have finished sanding and washing all the parts, to remove the mold release, I will begin to glue the parts together. Now I will begin to start the painting process. Here I'm giving a wash. I stained, varnished, and glossed the base with the help of my dad. Now I want to give a big shout out to my dad for helping me throughout this build. Thanks, Dad. Now on to the beauty shots.